what is going on, everyone? I was hoping to get a haircut this morning because I thought it was going to rain. That didn't happen. Anyway, there's not a lot of talking today in this video. We got a commercial site we got to do, and then some other stops along the way. Anyway, come tag along while we do this site, and hopefully it doesn't rain on us. Alright, so if you watch the beginning of the video, you'll see Marquel, or you would have seen Marquel and George trimming. So the grass was wet. Now, whether it's wet from the rain or morning dew, which also creates very slippery, we never put a zero turn or stand-on mower on it. I notice people will be out there on the internet, they'll say, oh, but my mower with these tires, yada 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 yada. Okay, well, you do you, boo. I'm not gonna have my equipment and any of my guys risk getting hurt just because it might be quicker with the mower. It's not quicker when you're in the hospital, or God forbid we have to lose time because we gotta strap a truck and try to unhook one of the trailers just to yank a mower out. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the mowing.